Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'll be explaining how to set up your class pass mark. So I'll click on the class pass mark icon here. As you can see on the screen, we have different classes and the pass mark for each class. So to set up a new pass mark, you click on the new pass mark icon here. So I'll select the affected classes. So, for example, in your school, you might have different pass mark for different classes. Let's say, for example, your junior secondary school might have different class pass mark, while your senior secondary school might have different class pass mark. So, in this case, I would assume SS1, SS2, and SS3. So, I'll be setting up for SS1 to 3. So, let's say their class pass mark is 45. So, then I'll click on submit. As you can see, it says operation was successful, record inserted. So he has it that SS1, 2, and 3 has a class pass mark of 45%, while all other classes have a class pass mark of 40%. So this is how you set up your class pass mark. Thanks for watching.